When it comes to painting stucco in Southwest Florida, precision is key. Let's dive into how Hein Brothers General Contracting achieves perfection, step by step. It all begins with a clean slate. We start by pressure washing the exterior stucco to remove dirt, mildew, and any loose paint. Our approach is environmentally friendly, using minimal chemicals to ensure both your property and our planet are looked after. Next, attention to detail is crucial. We meticulously inspect for any cracks or damages, patching and sealing them to create a smooth and uniform surface. We will remove and replace failed sealants around windows and door frames, as needed, prohibiting water intrusion. This not only enhances durability, but also ensures the longevity of the paint job. Windows, doors, and trim? No worries. We carefully mask these areas to protect them from any overspray, keeping the clean lines and professional finish you expect. Finally, we apply high-quality sealer to the surface, providing adhesion for the latex material. By combining these steps with our skilled team and high-quality materials, Hein Brothers General Contracting ensures your property not only looks spectacular, but stands the test of time. Trust us to bring out the best in your buildings, because with Hein Brothers, every detail counts.